Hello, this is David from Perflex. Today I'm going to show you the easiest way of grouting. Perflex has all the colors you want. And for today's project, we're going to use the matte series. For set number 1, we have the vanilla yellow. For set number 2, we have the wooden white. Before we start, make sure your joints are clean. Now it's time to polish your joints with wax. Like I said, it's an easy way of grouting. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to screw this open to install the nozzle. Just like that. And now we just put in a caulking gun. So when we press the back button, we can control the rod to push and pull. It's very easy. So now I just put it here. It's ready. To make sure the product is well mixed, we discard the first 30 centimeters. Now we just have to use a pressing bar to fix your work. It only takes 4 hours to cure, so now it's time to take a break.
A few moments later.
Alright, time's up. Now we can clean the tiles with a scraper. Or with your hands. Alright, this is how we do the easiest grouting ever. And Perflex is always here to bring value to your business, convenience to your work, and quality to your lifestyle.